In a bustling city, a young man named Alex found himself at a crossroads. Raised by two influential figures, his biological father and his best friend's dad, he had always heard conflicting advice about money. His real dad, a hardworking teacher, believed in job security, saving every penny and avoiding risks. "Study hard, get a good job, and live within your means," he would often say. But despite his father's diligence, they always struggled financially. On the other hand, there was Mr. Carter, his best friend's dad, a successful entrepreneur with a flair for investing. "Let money work for you," Mr. Carter would tell Alex. He believed in taking calculated risks, investing in assets, and never working for money but letting money work for him. One day, Alex realized that his father's way led to a life of financial struggle, while Mr. Carter's approach led to abundance. Torn between the two philosophies, Alex decided to blend their lessons. He kept his dad's discipline but embraced Mr. Carter's mindset. Alex invested in real estate, started a side business, and educated himself on financial literacy. Years later, Alex looked back and saw the difference. He had built a life of financial freedom. The key wasn't choosing between the two dads, it was learning from both. If you want to unlock financial success like Alex, subscribe for more insights that can transform your life. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos on Giant Insights. Stay tuned for our next video in our quest to innovate and explore the world of wisdom.